How to fix Bluetooth devices not working on your Windows. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're having that issue, you may follow up these steps. So what you may do is you may just head over to your device's control panel for that. This is method number one. You can follow up this. Open it up, and once you are under control panel, from this view by section, drop this option and head over to category. And within category, locate up the option of network and internet and open it up. Now within network and internet, look out for network and sharing center, open it up. And once you open it up, look out for change advanced sharing settings. This right here, open it up. And once you open it up, it opens this. So what you may do is from the given options, look out for these options. Network discovery, turn this option on. Similarly, turn this option of file and printer sharing as well. And if there's any kind of other options like public folder sharing, password protected sharing, everything, you just need to go and turn all of these options on. Now, once you've turned these options on, look out for private networks as well. Look out for network discovery. Turn this on and turn this file and printer sharing within private network. Also, the option turn it on, and look out for the setup network connected devices automatically. Turn these options on as well. Once this is done, you can close this up and you can head over to another step. So what you can do is you may head over to your settings. So head over to settings, hit Windows plus I for that, the shortcut key. And once you are under this, you can look out for system settings right under home. Click on it. And once you open up your system settings, scroll down from the given options, look out for troubleshoot, open it up, and from troubleshoot, look out for other troubleshooters, open this up, and here look out for Bluetooth. That's right here, and click on run and wait for the troubleshooter to be running for your Bluetooth. Wait for this to be completed, and once it completes, it will show you any kind of issues. It will also fix that issue if there's any kind of issue and help you fix the Bluetooth devices not working on your Windows. After that, you may just go ahead and try heading over to settings again. And this time directly head over to Bluetooth and devices within your settings, this right here. And you can look out for this option of add a device, look out for this option and look out for Bluetooth. After that, look out for the device that you're trying to add on your Bluetooth and see if that works or not. You may just go ahead and follow up the steps and close this up. Now that this is done, the last step you can follow up is update your battery. For that, you can head over to search and type in device manager. Open it up on your screen. And within device manager, locate up Bluetooth. So wait for this to load up first and look out for batteries. First of all, drop this option down, look out for your battery. Right click on it, look out for update driver and look out for search automatically for driver, so you can browse your computers for driver and locate and install the driver manually if there is any kind of update available. Same goes for Bluetooth as well. You can drop this option down, look out for Bluetooth, right click on update driver and update your driver to the latest version. So these are some of the methods you can follow up if your Windows Bluetooth devices are not working, the connected ones. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.